Hello friends, this is Anand Harsh once again. I'm with you from Jodhpur to consider the basics of Oracle Tangi Express Edition. In the past video lecture, we considered the alter command, from which we consider the add column or columns, remove column or columns, change the data type of a column, and change the size of a data type of a column. That means increasing the size of a column and decreasing the size of a column with certain specific rules. That means restrictions. We cannot decrease the size if there is if the column is not empty, and but we can increase the size as well we as we want. Today, the fifth and sixth one is add some constraint and drop some constraint using the alter command. But uh, still, we are not considering the constraint, so we are suspending this five and sixth alter commands um, application. So we will consider in the upcoming video lectures. Today we consider the seventh one, that is renaming a table using the alter command. So renaming a table uses two syntax. One is from alter command and second one is from normal command. Alter command uses alter table name, rename to new table name. There is a space applied here. Alter table name, rename to new table name. Okay, and the rename command uses rename table name to new table name. That is more simple. So it's all up to you which command you want to go with. If you are more familiar with this and you are this command is easy for you, you can go with this command, or otherwise you can go with this command. It's all your choice. Both are doing the same purposes. So we are now moving to the terminal. We are using the same table. So let's start from EMP, and we are changing the name from EMP to employee using the rename by alter command. So alter table name is employee, rename to employee. Okay, so now table is altered. So I'm using this command once again. So let me start from employee. There is no table or view exist in this database. So we are changing the name from employee to employee. So now the table EMP is renamed by employee. So the second one is the normal rename command, that is rename employee to EMP. So now the table renamed by a name from the first name what it is, that is EMP. So now the employee view is not existed in our current database which is used. So I'm using the employee. So this is the table. So both these commands are used for the same purposes. So it's all up to your choice which you want to go with. Okay, so we are considering today the seventh uh, application of alter command, that is renaming table, and the add constraint and drop constraint will be considered in the upcoming video lecture when we are considering the constraints and their types and how we can use these constraints. Okay, I hope you like this video very much. uh, Yet it is very short, but still you can work with it. Thank you. Have a nice day.